The robot song. Okay, this is one of my favorites, I have to admit. This is like, now, there's a couple robot moves before I tell you how the song goes. Let's establish some robot moves, okay? So of course, you have this one, like this is the classic. You can use both arms with this one. Yeah, just make sure that the elbows are like this, or you can do one up, one down. They can move like this. You can switch. There's also the one that goes to the side where both hands are out like this. And you can robot this one. And they can move like that. But you can start this one off asking them who knows how to do the robot dance. A lot of them are like, yes, I do. I'm a master of the robot dance. You ain't said nothing. I'm ready for you. Right? And so every time, once you establish the robot dance, and you can show them a couple of moves, like these right here. Oh, you like the robot? I'm feeling good today. Okay. So you get robot dance, but then in between, so this is going to be important, is you have the look. The look goes, now this is my shout out to the great Jackson 5 robot dancing machine. Then it has a point. They're going to point like this. Crisscross their feet. So you can have them, of course, go like this. But I like to use times like these to work in some more skills in there. And so even though this move right here is called the front cross, it's not a crisscross, and this move right here is the back cross, right? You can kind of start working with them on some top rock moves, just like the cross step that we did. So when it says now crisscross your feet, you just have them, just kind of lead them like this, or take it to the back. Time for the robot. Each time, encourage them to do a new robot move every time it says time for the robot. So here it is. This is the song. Do the robot.
Get your robot. Mechanical movements on. Here we go. On. Handle robot movement. First one. Here we go. Now look to the right and look to the left. Just look to the right, just look to the left. Now do the robot. Come on and do the robot. Yeah, let me see you do the robot. Come on, do the robot. Yeah, let's go. Just point to the right and point to the left. Point to the right and point to the left. Now do the robot. Come on and do the robot. Yeah, let me see you do the robot. Come on, everybody do the robot. Robot, robot. Now crisscross your feet. Just crisscross your feet. Just crisscross your feet. Just crisscross your feet. When you do the robot, come on, let me see you do the robot. Everybody, come on, do the robot. Come on, you just a robot. Yeah, come on. Now, that's it. Let's do it again. One more time. One more time with the robot. One more.